guys, welcome to our channel, and if you are wondering why we are starting a video like this, please watch our last video, and for the ones who have watched it, let's get going.
You're ready, all set to go.
So our star of the day, Kshitij of Kshitij Tanya Vlogs, is finally here and
Holding this jacket.
hiding something.
That's this. Yeah, I'm gonna eat some cake. It's not cake, it's banana bread. I just love it. So I was like,
So his
since we are gonna get the coffee, so I was like, I'll just,
planning.
yeah, pre-planned.
Good.
Execution.
Execution. Trading is coming in between.
Yeah.
But today is Sunday, so we will try to not
Yeah.
bring that in between. We'll start that after 6 p.m. Not right now. So we are ready.
Ready to go in an alto.
So we are ready like this. We are wearing this. I'm not wearing any jacket, but we are holding a jacket
As a
if it
backup.
gets cold. So let's go
In an alto.
in an alto. Alto is in India. Acha, now the plan is to go to a coffee shop and get coffee because
Not to a coffee shop.
are matlab
Yeah.
Drive
Tim
through.
Hortons.
so Tim Hortons is also a coffee shop.
You are showing, by saying coffee shop, you're trying to convince me that we are going to a very nice coffee shop. It's not
But you
nice.
don't get convinced because you are smart. Today I'm taking you to a farmer's market, so only one place. Okay?
Okay.
No more coffee shops
Okay,
for
done.
today.
Turn left into the parking lot, then your destination will be on the right.
So we have reached finally, and
I'm trying to settle my things here and I feel very hot.
I
I'll be-
told you it's gonna be hot.
Yeah, so what I'll be doing is I'm gonna be removing my coat, aka jacket.
And the moment he'll remove, he'll start feeling cold.
Yeah, but I have a backup for that, which is this small coffee.
मजा आ रहा है?
Yeah, but I think they have made a double. They're so used to the Indian accent, they have given me double.
They automatically take it as a double, even though you tell them to make a regular coffee.
I think it's regular. Maybe it's too sweet.
Yeah.
Okay, let's go in an alto.
Here. Finally at the farmers market. This is an indoor farmers market, which is good because here it's mostly rainy or snow.
Yeah,
So it's good to have an indoor market.
I prefer indoor. It looks very similar to the one in Vancouver, Granville Island. But to be honest, it is way broader.
But here the thing is, you can see like lot of different things from different places. So this is from, I think, Mexican salsa, nachos. Pita and hummus. Lot of people are taking things.
Next to the place.
Important thing, if you have kids, you can leave your kids here. They can have their time and you can go and do whatever you want to do. Thank you. No sausage for us. colorful.
So this, as you can see, this is the indoor farmers market, and this is our food court. They have decorated it with a lot of umbrellas here, and then what you can do is you can buy food and then exactly sit here and enjoy your food. But this is, as we discussed,
We were talking, it is similar to Granville Market, right?
yeah, in Vancouver, yeah. So they are a very similar setup to this one. You buy and then you go outside and eat, or you can eat inside as well, but you have water there. But here, today you are lucky you don't have any snow here today, otherwise
It's snowing. I think summer is coming, so it's gonna be fine now. But yeah, winters were hard. And
yeah. See, so you get to see all kind of. First we saw a lot of food. Now you can see all the kind of art here. It's not. And it is also very similar to Delhi art.
westernized version.
Westernized version which is free, no ticket. You pay nothing from inside. There is area for
Protein muffin. That caught my eye. You wanna get a free sample?
It's okay. I've already had a lot of protein since morning.
And honestly, I think whatever food they have, it's not tasty. They,
Look here on the left side, you have place for kids as well. So if you have kids, you can bring them here.
they can have fun here and you can go around,
You
eat.
can have fun eating food.
So, like every other farmer's market, there's like stalls for candles, for jewelry, and essential oils, pain relief, balms and stuff. And how they advertise is it's like it's handmade. So soaps and stuff. But one thing, I don't know if I have cold, that's why it's like this. But when we went like towards that shop where they were selling essential oils and soaps, there was no fragrance, right?
Yeah.
Did you smell anything?
No.
Because usually when you are at a place like this, usually smell is something that attracts its customers, but no smell. Like no fragrance. We shouldn't call it smell, but fragrance. So artwork, that's the name of the gallery. Here is Alberta Bison Ranch. So they are serving like fresh meat.
Bison meat, I think so.
Yeah. Popcorns. Honestly, there's nothing. Usually I am someone who goes and buys something, but here I don't think there's anything that is exciting me.
See, now if you turn the camera on the other side, show them the eggs. So now here they are selling, I think,
Organic
eggs.
farm.
But the problem is, I eat eggs as a lifestyle. Like I need to eat 5 to 7 eggs a day, like whole eggs. So I need cost-effective things. Because if it's my lifestyle, I have to consume it every day. If I'll buy it today here and then tomorrow, what will I do? Right?
Yeah, true.
So I buy it from Costco.
Okay, so this was farmer's market, which was not really like worth it, I think, because we had to make a vlog. We came here. Next time
At the outside, so that's the biggest difference, because once you come outside,
It's
if
just
you've bought the
cars.
food, yeah, you can come outside, and in Vancouver you can sit near the water front, but here it's nothing. It's all.
it looks like an industrial area.
Yeah,
There are industries and warehouses. So the vibe didn't really. It
That's what-
wasn't like a good vibe for us.
And I was prepared. That is why I didn't dress up nicely. This is
But
my
you
regular
should-
gym going outfit, by the way.
You should always put your efforts, because you never know what happens, right?
Yeah, but
You
I
should
know.
always be prepared.
But I know how what Edmonton has to offer. This is my hometown.
Hey,
This is my
don't
birthplace.
speak bad about Edmonton, okay?
Yeah, this is my birthplace.
Yes, Edmonton rocks. So that was the tour, and now I think we will be heading home. And if you like our video, please like, share and subscribe
Yeah,
to our
please.
channel.
It's a lot of hard work, guys. You need to understand and respect that.
This one
Otherwise-
wasn't really hard work because we had to come here.
I told you I'm not lying. I didn't dress up because I knew this will happen. That's why I came in my gym outfit.
Okay, so please like, share and subscribe to our vlog,
Kshitij
Kshitij Tanya
Tanya
Vlogs,
Vlogs.
and see you in our next video. अभी बताऊंगी घर चलो.